Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up JayuPro for optimal use. First, locate and download the JayuPro application from your smartphone's app store. Once installed, open the app and either create a new user account or sign in if you already have one. Make sure your smart wearable device is charged and within a few feet of your phone. Now, let's connect your smart wearable device. Begin by enabling Bluetooth on your smartphone through its settings menu. Then, open the JayuPro application and find the section dedicated to device pairing or adding a new device. You should see a list of available devices. Select your specific smart wearable to initiate the connection process. This usually takes only a few moments. After the initial wired pairing, you can often connect wirelessly. Make sure both your computer and tablet are on the same Wi-Fi network for this to work. Within the L-Display hub, you can choose to mirror your main display or extend it, giving you more screen real estate. Adjust performance modes to low, medium, or high for the smoothest experience. You can also customize pen pressure and assign up to 8 shortcuts on the toolbar. Your JayuPro setup is almost complete. Regularly open the application to review your health and activity data, including steps taken and sleep patterns. The app will automatically synchronize data from your smart wearable device, but you can often manually trigger a sync if needed. Explore the detailed reports on your progress, such as heart rate trends and calories burned, to stay motivated and informed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.